In this workout, you will feel fire.
You will feel strain.
You will feel power. Yeah, baby.
Muscle.
No, you are what you eat. Guess what I had for breakfast this morning? A bowl of muscles. Oh, yes.
If you follow our style and our tips, you will be a whole nother person. These exercises, we are not going to be taking any breaks. If you're not hardcore, get out of the room.
So let's go. Scott is going to be showing you one of our most popular exercises.
Hey Hoover, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use these just like push-ups. See, watch this. You go down and use both of them. Like that.
That's not how you're supposed to use them. This is how you use them, okay? This. You put them right here. Spin around. We'll do one more because they're so intense. One more. Oh, man. That is how you use one of these things. Oh, let's take a break. I'm so hungry.
I'm so
hungry. Man, look at this.
Oh my,
Oh,
so
man.
much.
I know we're not supposed to take a break, but let's take a break.
Hey, look at all this.
Oh, my goodness. So good. I love food. Cameraman, get out of here! Get your boxing gloves out, because for this next exercise, we're gonna be boxing. First, we're gonna show you how to box and get the best workout at the same time. First, you want to do a warm-up we like to call the rows. And then go in for the punch. Punch your friend. Punch.
Punch like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right. She said it, girl. Boy, whatever you are. Yeah.
Sock the life out of her.
Sock your friend till she can't sock no more.
Or he.
Or you. Well, keep on boxing till your heart's content. Just box.
Whoa! Whoa there!
Camera!
So, the next exercise we're doing is the pull-ups. Hoover here thinks he knows how to do it.
Hoover here knows how to do it, okay? We're gonna place your hands on the bars above you. You just want to ease yourself up to the top, okay? Ease yourself up.
After.
Not taking any breaks.
Darn it! I really have to go.
Okay. Whoa.
What the?
Do these pants make my butt look big?